Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set an A4 size in Canva for your documents and designs. Whether we are creating reports, resumes, or print-ready files, using the correct page size keeps everything looking professional. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, all we need to do is click the plus sign or create button. Once we are here, we just click the custom size option. Set the unit to inches to keep things simple. Now, the width for A4 in inches is 8.27. For the height, we enter 11.69. Once these values are entered, click the Create Design button. Now we have our A4 size ready in Canva. We can also create it again whenever needed. If we want a landscape orientation instead, we just swap the values. Set the width to 11.69 and the height to 8.27, then click Create. That gives us the design and landscape style. Once we are ready, we just click to start editing our page in Canva. That's all it takes to set an A4 size in Canva. Now our designs will be perfectly formatted for printing or sharing.